Hello. So this is my first new Synergy X Alox. I put it in the silver color, hoping that means it won't show scratches as easily as the colored versions, so I can pocket carry this. And it has a bunch of new things which I really like. I like the package opener, that's kind of cool. I like the file here instead of a secondary blade. I'm a big scissors guy, so I really like that. Scissors are very important to me on Victorinox knives. And I noticed something a little odd is that the screwdriver tip's a little bit wide compared to my other 91mm knives. I hope that's not going to be a problem. But the big difference for me, besides it also has a bigger knife blade, and the knife blade has a lock on it. You have to press this in order to release it if you have it fully open. It takes a lot of pressure too. Has a belt clip, that's kind of interesting. I never use belt clips though. And package opener, that's the real reason I wanted to get this. So I've got everything going for me on this knife, except one thing. It doesn't carry tweezers, and I really like Victorinox tweezers. So I've come up with the first mod. So I've shown other mods I've come up with, for instance, this ruler on the outside, a paper clip has been screwed into the corkscrew, so I have a paper clip on me. So there are various mods you can apply to these, and I think I have the very first mod for the Victorinox Synergy X with the belt clip for people like me who don't plan on actually using the belt clip. You ready? Here it is. Tweezer holder. Basically, you can either hold the tweezers up here or the toothpick. I've recycled them from a 58mm model. And this is just a piece of straw that I've cut. I've modified a straw, drinking straw. Put a little notch in it up here and slide that up. And then depending on which you prefer to carry, the toothpick or the tweezers, and bingo! I've got a nice little mod.